What a majestic performance.
And of course, a standing ovation from all four judges.
Wow. Ness, what did you think of them?
It's a very, very emotional piece that you guys just. I'm sorry. 你们刚才表演得非常非常感人。我可以从你们的舞蹈感受到你们的爱，真的让我快要落泪了。真的非常棒，真的恭喜你们。然后我也知道你受伤，所以真的很厉害。
Anggun?
I have goosebumps. Goosebumps, really. And you wowed me. We can really feel the love that you have for each other. There is an undeniable chemistry between the two of you and the passion that you share for what you do. It was really beautiful to watch. Thank you. Thank you for that.
All right, and David, how did you like that?
Well, first of all, I was a little nervous because, I've been married 4 times, so this scared me a little bit. But honestly, it's such a beautiful, beautiful art form. And I think I said it once before on the show that you dance the way I would like my music to sound. I can't say it any better than that.
Amazing compliment, David. Thank you. Melanie, these are your golden buzzer babies. Did they do you proud?
Of course, always. Gao and Liu, you know I've loved you since the auditions. And I can't imagine what you've been through today, dealing with an injury. And I think it made you even better because you had to pull together like never before. I actually think that was your best performance yet.
I agree.
Yeah.
All right, thank you very much for those wonderful comments, judges. Now, I've got to ask, Liu, that seemed like a very emotional performance for you. How are you feeling right now?
我现在特别激动，然后也特别心疼他，因为他真的是伤得比较严重，特别疼。所以我也相信大家能看到我们的坚持与努力，也希望你们支持我们。谢谢 ，Thank you。
Well, thank you for allowing us to witness this beautiful journey of yours. If Gao and Liu are your winners, then you need to vote. SMS AGT2 to your country's hotline on your screen right now. And remember, voting lines are open at the end of tonight's show.
You can also vote for Gao Lin and Liu on Facebook or download the Asia's Got Talent app to cast your vote. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please, one more time for Gao Lin and Liu.
I think we should win it.